Have you ever wondered how successful people manage their time and energy on their phones? Let's dive into some effective habits that can supercharge your productivity. Successful individuals often designate specific times to check their phones, greatly reducing distractions and improving focus. Organizing your apps into folders can save time and reduce the tendency to mindlessly scroll. Do Not Disturb mode can be a game changer. It helps maintain focus during critical tasks, allowing uninterrupted workflow. Utilizing the right apps for task management and goal tracking can elevate your productivity to new heights. Limiting notifications to only essential alerts minimizes interruptions and promotes deeper concentration. Voice memos enable quick note-taking, allowing leaders to capture ideas spontaneously and effortlessly. Setting time limits on social media can help avoid wasted time and keep your focus directed towards more productive activities. Many successful people rely on their phones for daily agenda planning and reminder setups, starting their day with clarity. Incorporating these phone habits into your daily routine can drastically enhance your focus and productivity. Why not give them a try?